You gotta fill out my prices first, don't you? That's what you're thinking.
Is the pillowcase for sale? Or is
Yeah.
that
Kiwis play out.
Oh, that's awesome.
Froggy flips.
So I only got probably, well, mostly it's coming out now. It's like clothes and
Yeah, and I've got stuff and
ball cards.
I have to take pictures.
Morning, man.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. I'm slow at it this morning. I'm pulling stuff out.
Get Froggy flips. Hey!
Hi, how's it going?
I haven't got pictures up yet, and I was hoping you'd show up. I know you like old toys.
I do.
That's me too.
All right, well, I don't have a whole lot, but I have some.
What's your name?
I'm his mother. I'm Kathy.
Oh, hi, I'm Anthony.
I watch you all the time. Nice to meet you, Anthony.
Nice to meet you.
I know your whole family.
Oh,
It's like I watch you, Harry Tornado, Tucker Upper, of course, is one of my favorite. I love his track. Their little baby. They don't do it as much, and I miss it.
Hey, what are you interested in?
Me?
Yeah.
Pop culture. Cards, comics, records,
Old toys.
old toys, anything rock and roll.
Vintage. A lot of vintage
So I
stuff.
take it you got like a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yep, and it's popular.
Here's like my garage, one section of it. And that's just my garage.
That's awesome.
And then,
You sound like me. That's just my garage.
well, there since I've been reorganizing.
Oh, wow.
And it keeps going around on this whole wall. I got comic books.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 10, 12 cent issues.
Oh, that's
I
awesome.
wish I knew more about comics. 'Cause they go
All the
well.
Golden Age stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And all the
Very
good
cool.
And used to. I mean, I do everything.
Oh, yeah. Very cool.
Well, it's a full-time job in itself.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, it is. I retired and I can't keep up.
I'm semi-retired, and every day, it's an everyday thing. Always taking pictures.
It's more harder than you do at your regular, or I think. It's a job. They'll end up going to know what Louisville. It takes me to Louisville.
Want stuff that has no prices, what? Just pick it up and hold
Well,
it?
yeah, pick it up and ask or bundle. I'd have some stuff.
I definitely like a bundle. I mean,
Yeah.
You gotta fill out my prices first, don't you? That's what you're thinking.
well, yeah. I mean, I don't know.
I'm good, man. I mean, I'm serious. I don't know. I list on eBay, and this is what I told last year, but it's probably 75–80% off eBay. Is what it is. There's that Harry. You can put that on the porch if you want.
Oh, okay.
That Harry Potter thing's over here. I don't. It was in bad shape. It was one of them carts that just came out. But I knew as soon as I picked it up, because all them young kids were coming up to me and going, "That's nice. That's nice."
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, cool.
I don't know if it's anything special. It needs to be in a frame for somebody
Right.
that likes this type of stuff at least. So
I don't know what that autograph is.
I looked it up. I couldn't find.
I couldn't find anything either. Palmer.
When I'm gone, I'll mark it for you. This thing is an original, and it lights up. Brand spanking.
See, stuff like this is what I take my pride from. Getting this for 50 cents at a flea market. I've had luck selling just single ones. Of
Oh,
these.
for sure. Yeah. What is that from? Oh, Pizza King.
It's just because it's so precise, and people in California used to live here or something.
Right,
Like,
yeah.
oh, Pizza King, let's have a party.
Yeah, that's cool.
$3 on eBay. I got 4 of them, but I feel like dying and stuff. I'm about ready to put that.
Well, I live around 40, so I do that 40 garage sale every year.
Yeah, I didn't get to this year.
Is the pillowcase for sale? Or
Yeah.
Is it?
Yep. The cart's for sale. So you can. There's room to
I
put
know.
everything
I
right here
wanted that.
too.
I
Yeah, I like the pillowcase too. I knew you would. I like these old recipes. I don't know. I've never tried stuff like that on eBay though.
It's all neat to look at, though.
Yeah. Plus smalls. You find out smalls. That's my favorite. First class.
That paper chip and
Yeah, I like small. I like to put stuff on a shelf and think about it later.
Yeah, exactly. I thought that was cool. It's got a little.
That is cool.
I don't know what that is. Looks bad, but you could almost cut it out.
Neat, though. I mean, it's an old one, isn't it?
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it
83.
came out of the outlet too.
It's pretty cool.
I got some Michigan State sheets out of it too, and that was a score.
Oh, really?
Mom likes Michigan State.
That's neat.
What's that? Which one?
we probably have 200 at home.
Semis and all that. I gotta be collecting all the square body Hot Wheels and all that.
Oh yeah.
Our grandkids, we get buys them by the box one, give them a whole big box.
Vintage 1988. Too bad, man, if that was an adult.
That is awesome, though.
I got the Hulk Hogan from when I got the Christmas stuff out of Mom and Dad's attic last year, and I found in my box that they kept.
That's really cool.
No, What's your name again, Froggy?
Anthony.
All right.
Yep.
You don't watch him enough. I know his name.
My bad.
All right, when you get a sec, I got a pile over here.
Yeah. Kathy, I do trace?
No, I wish I did.
Not huge, but like you, I'm trying to be careful.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I like the Harry Potter poster, but it don't mean me.
I just want to research it more.
$30.
Oh yeah, definitely.
He said, "Oh yeah."
Dude, that got me. That really got me. That was at the Goodwill bin, and I was like, you don't think...
They look so real.
Yeah, so okay, you're like me.
Yesterday.
I was like, that's damn season 1 on a DVD.
A VHS.
Yeah, I thought it was
That's what I
VHS.
thought it was.
I thought it was like a retro thing.
Pool's called 40.
Are you sure?
Yeah, man, we're good. Thank you for the heads up.
It. What are you gonna get out of this? The fun of looking it up and seeing.
I mean, I looked them up like a year ago, and they're 15, 20, but they might have gone up. I don't know.
Yeah.
Everything goes up, man.
Yeah.
I check it out, and I check this out right here.
Dude, feel free to hit me up anytime, because even the active eBay listing stuff would be massive cut to you, because I don't
Okay.
like to ship it.
Oh, there's 3 for the Pinocchio too. Thank you.
Oh yeah, dude. And Pee-wee's Play Out.
Oh, that's awesome.
I got
on
your
that
one.
too.
Okay.
I went back to him. I got his for half price.
The whole.
$6.
All right.
Oh, there it is.
Oh wow. Where'd you get that?
Which one?
That was in our attic.
I know it.
He didn't take it,
Man, you
so.
can find some gold
All right, yeah,
in
I'll
our
take that
attic.
too. I'll take that and the Pee-wee.
15. Oh, not the Bart.
I think he's grabbing the Bart.
Okay.
Yeah, because
We got more of that stuff
I'd
in
like
our
to see it
attic.
worn by somebody. Oh, this is from me too,
was
back in the
Christmas.
80s
this was.
That was Christmas. Yeah.
when they were winning
That's pretty cool.
Super Bowls. So
Yeah, I mean, that'd be a good big size shirt too.
yeah, or well, no, I don't think a
Quite
tiny
yours,
girl
wasn't
could wear it. Yeah, all of them were
How
mine.
many? How many pictures does Facebook let you put now?
No, that's 12, I think. That might be eBay, but
All right, were these 5 apiece?
yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna grab the 2 of them.
Okay.
Oh, you didn't get
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll come right back for that stuff. Do you not want it?
Yeah, I'm taking it.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. All right, man. Nice to see you. Thank you.
Yeah, man, it was a pleasure seeing
All right,
you
buddy.
again.
Talk soon.
Yep. Have a
Thanks,
good one, man.
Nancy.
It was nice to meet you.
All right, so we are back in the garage. It's been over a year now. I went to this fellow's yard sale, the same guy you saw here. His name is Jason. Haven't talked to him since, but a few days ago he sent me a message saying he was having another yard sale. I recognized him instantly. I can't remember what I bought last time, but I do remember buying a lot of stuff and getting a good deal, so I figured let's go check it out. And I'll tell you, this yard sale ended up being very satisfying because in my pile, I put something that I thought was like a huge wild card that could be worth a lot of money. Turns out, probably not worth so much. However, there was another item that was a bit of an afterthought, but after some research, turns out that it could be a nice little collectible. So real quick, let's take a look at everything. All right, so first up here, we have just what I would consider the cheap stuff. Just the little smalls that I have a hard time resisting, even though I know they're not going to be worth a whole lot. I think I spent right at $50 at the sale. This stuff here won't really help to recoup much of it. Like the Warrior Nun action figure, even mint on card like this is only worth a couple bucks. A couple old wax packs, Dick Tracy, and this semi-open pack of TMNT 2 cards. A couple random comics. The vintage Partridge Family cards can do okay. These aren't in spectacular condition and they're not complete. I think there's something like 39 or 40 cards in there. The set probably consists of 50 or 60 cards, so we're definitely missing a few. I did think the vintage Star Wars Return of the Jedi pillowcase was pretty cool. I'm sure someone would want to use this as like a wall tapestry or something. Pretty cool artwork and definitely vintage. I think it's from '83. I grabbed this Harry Potter print basically because neither of us knew who autographed it. It says Palmer right there. I did do some research and figured out that that is Jason Palmer. He's an artist that does a lot of work for several different franchises like Indiana Jones. He does some Star Wars stuff, obviously some Harry Potter stuff. So it's pretty cool. It's not in great shape. It'd probably still look good in a frame. Here's where a little bit more of the value starts coming in. This is a sealed box of Pro Set Superstars music cards. I loved these things as a kid. I used to see these at thrift stores and garage sales all the time. They were never worth very much money. Over like the last year or so, I've not seen them very often, so I finally picked up a set again. Looks like now they're up to selling for about 20 or 25 bucks a box. So that definitely helps to recoup a little bit, and it's a nice little piece of nostalgia. Look at that, MC Hammer and Billy Idol right on the side of the box. how could you not love it? And then we have the Stranger Things Season 1 4K Ultra Blu-ray set. It's made to look like a VHS. I remember when these came out, I thought they were pretty cool, but they have definitely held their value. You pull it out of the slipcover, the case looks like a VHS tape. It has the original poster inside. There's the 4K Ultra Blu-rays, and then underneath are the regular Blu-rays. Used like this in open condition, these sell for like between $30 and $50, which is definitely a little more than I thought they would be at this point. But it was a really clever way to package stuff, and I think it's pretty neat. And then we got 2 vintage kids shirts. Both of these would have probably been worth a lot of money if they were adult sizes. They are kid sizes. There's a small collector base out there for something like this. People put them in shadow boxes or frames. They take up less room on the wall, but they are very cool. This is an old Hulk Hogan. Kind of looks like a pajama shirt. It's got the nice single stitch and everything. Very cool graphics in very good condition. It's honestly hard to pass up anything Hulk Hogan, even if it is a kid's shirt. Can't really find any direct comps on something like this. I'm thinking both of these shirts are probably in the $25 to $30 range. This is the other one. It's a Pee-wee's Playhouse shirt. It's actually the Pee-wee branded merchandise. Paul Rubens, at the height of the Pee-wee's popularity, he was a marketing genius. This would look great in a shadow box. Sarah might actually take this from me because, as everyone knows, she has a huge appreciation for all things Pee-wee. This is what I thought could possibly have the most value. These are hundreds of Rage CCG cards from the mid-90s, I believe. Not a game I was familiar with, but they looked interesting. There was a bunch of them, so I thought I would take a chance. I still have lots of research to do on these. It looks like there's several different sets that all these cards have come out of. I did pull a few that look like they could have some value, especially this one right here. It looks like maybe there were like limited sets and then unlimited sets. I think perhaps the limited sets came with these little foil stamps in the corner. Like this card in the limited form with the foil stamp, I think has some pretty good comps on it. This card here has some pretty decent asking prices, but I haven't seen any sold for a while. Like I said, there's still lots of research to do, but worst case, it gives me a new card game to learn about. This here is the item that really surprised me. I was not expecting this to be what it is, and I've already done a little work to it. But basically what we have here is an old set of Topps Man on the Moon cards. These were cards to commemorate the moon landing mission back in 1969. Apparently Topps put out a set of 55 cards in 1969. So those 55 cards, they had puzzle backs, and the fronts were pretty much things leading up to the mission. After the event, I think later on in 1969 into 1970, they updated the card set to a 99 card set. I think the first 55 were exactly the same. They were just numbered differently on the back. But then it also included cards that were more like images of the actual mission and things that happened during and after. So these cards were in that little plastic case, and when I got them all out and organized them, I realized that I had 98 of the 99 cards, and it was only missing card number 99, which is right here. I also noticed that these are very, very clean, very sharp corners. With these old Topps sets, there's always centering issues. They're not dirty. The corners are all sharp on pretty much every single card. No real miscuts that I can find. And I saw that recently a complete set of 99 had sold on eBay for $450 in near mint condition like this. Centering issues and all. So I immediately went on there, found card number 99. It was priced at $15 plus shipping. I ordered it. 2 days later it showed up, and that completed this entire set. So I also spent $10 on the Ultra Pro binder here. Spent like $1.25 on penny sleeves. I got the $20 into this card right here after shipping. I spent about an hour transferring everything over very carefully so I could maintain the near mintedness. And now what I think we have here is just a very nice presentation of a very highly collectible set of cards. Just by looking at WorthPoint and TerraPeak and other eBay listings, I see that they can go in pretty average condition for $100, $150 for an entire set. You know, that's going to be with soft corners and a bunch of miscuts. Just big lots of starter sets can still sell for $50, $100. But in my opinion, this set here is pretty much on par with the set that sold for quite a bit more. So had no idea there was such a collector base for something like this. I guess it makes sense because you have your card collectors, you have your vintage card collectors, you have your Topps collectors, you have your NASA collectors, you have your moon landing collectors, just a lot of crossover. So that sort of thing definitely makes sense. But yeah, very cool and super satisfying. That is all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.